What's up guys, Sal here. So the Galaxy Fold, which is one of the most ambitious projects for Samsung, is experiencing some big hurdles even before the release. We've seen some review units breaking down which forced Samsung to delay the release of this foldable handset. And now today Samsung forced iFixit to remove the teardown of the Galaxy Fold. iFixit is the top destination for smartphone repair guides and teardowns, showing us just how these devices are put together. They posted a detailed teardown of the Galaxy Fold on their website, noting the various innovations as well as flaws that went inside this handset. But iFixit had to remove this teardown on Samsung's request. Some people are calling this a damage control by Samsung, which I totally disagree with. First of all, the Galaxy Fold that iFixit tore down doesn't even belong to them. Samsung didn't even provide them a review unit. It was given to them by some other reviewer. Posting that teardown was a bit shady by iFixit in my opinion. Clearly, the NDA is broken in this case. The NDA contract states that it shouldn't be drop tested or taken apart. The NDA agreement was violated by giving or selling the phone to iFixit and tearing it apart. The contract is clear. If Samsung provides you with a review unit and you wish to accept it, then you must honor the contract or you are in breach. So I don't see anything wrong with Samsung taking this down. Look, I'm not defending Samsung, I'm just being logical here. Samsung clearly seems to be going back to the drawing board and making late stage modifications to alleviate the design flaws, which is to say the device is unlikely to ship exactly as is. There is no point of this teardown if it's gonna be revised. One more reason I think Samsung took it down is that they just don't want every other detail of the device to be made that public before the release, as to avoid having the good aspects copied immediately by others while they can't release theirs until they ironed out the currently weak parts. Which is reasonable considering some Chinese companies stole Samsung's tech and now selling it to Huawei and others. So I don't see anything wrong with this takedown as some people are claiming to be. But I do agree with them that this is creating some stray sand effect, which is now bringing much more attention to the teardown, making people talk about the flaws of the Galaxy Fold even more. But you know, what can you do? When your time is bad, everything you do goes wrong. Anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments, and as always, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.